So iPhone 13 series, yeah, everybody is waiting for this series. Same like the last year, Apple is going to release the iPhone 13 mini, iPhone 13, iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max, same like the iPhone 12 series. In this video we're not going to talk about this iPhone 13 mini, not about this 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max also. We're going to talk about this iPhone 13, just iPhone 13. So this iPhone 13 mobile, first of all, this mobile comes with a 5.9 or 6 inches of Super Retina XDR 90Hz refresh rate display. The rumor says like this mobile is going to have 90Hz refresh rate display. And when we talk about the tempered glass, this mobile comes with a ceramic shield protection like the last year mobiles also. So in this mobile, Apple is going to introduce us the A15 Bionic chip. Yeah, the improved version of the A14 Bionic chip. It is a octa-core processor. It might be octa-core processor or hexa-core processor. I don't know the exact cores, but it's a A15 Bionic chip. It will be a 15 to 20% faster than the A14 Bionic chip. So yeah, performance wise checked. And this mobile is going to this mobile will be available in 3 variants. Those are 6GB RAM 128, 6GB RAM 256 and also 6GB RAM 512GB with no expandable memory. And this mobile also comes with a dual SIM support. One is the physical SIM, one is the eSIM like the older mobiles. And this mobile is going to have biggest improvement in the camera section. Yeah, it does comes with a triple cameras like the iPhone 12 Pro Max, like the iPhone 12. This mobile is going to have 2 cameras like the iPhone 12 in the past year, and in this year the camera orientation will be diagonal, not like the square. So this mobile is going to have 12 megapixels of main wide angle and 12 megapixels of secondary ultra wide with autofocus. That means it can auto adjust the frame according to our movements. So yeah, it will also going to have a 12 megapixels of front facing selfie camera. And in this year, the notch which we have seen from OnePlus, iPhone 10, 11, 12 and 13, the notch is going to be smaller, and it also comes with the 3D face unlock ID. And there are rumors like this mobile might comes with a fingerprint scanner also, but yeah, those are rumors, just don't consider them. But this mobile is going to have 3000 milliamperes or 2900 milliamperes of bigger battery. Yeah, it is confirmed that. And one more confirmed thing, that is this mobile will be comes with a 25 watts of fast charge, and it will gonna have the same MagSafe like the like the iPhone 12 series to charge wirelessly. And the other features, like this mobile is also gonna have the stereo speakers, and it doesn't have a 3.5mm jack lightning port. And like the iPhone 12 series, this mobile doesn't comes with any kind of charger including the box with this mobile. It just comes with the lightning cable and some warranty papers and documentations, that's all. And this mobile price will be around 80,000 to 85,000 rupees. The rumor size like that. And the release date of this mobile will be around September 14 or 15th. So yeah, wait until the mobile releases. And this gonna runs on iOS 15, yeah, the latest version. So yeah, that's all leaks I know, that's all information I know about the 13 series. And if you want to watch any of the videos, just comment me in the comment section down below. And I'm also thinking to make a Q&A video, like I will pick some questions from the comment section. So you can ask me in the comment section if you have any questions. I will pick 10 random questions from 10 random users. So yeah, check out your luck.